Filipinos love fiestas, and one of the biggest feasts actually around the world when it comes to saints is St. Patrick's Day, celebrated every March 17. He is the patron saint of Ireland, the Irish. It's like the legend says he's the one who drove out all the snakes from Ireland, but when in fact there are no snakes in Ireland. But yes, St. Patrick's Day is today, and Marco Polo is celebrating it. Today I'm gonna check out the feast that's prepared for St. Patrick's Day. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be another awesome buffet experience here in one of my favorite buffet places in Cebu. So come on guys, let's check this out. So pretty much I'll go Irish today, so I'm gonna start with some Irish fish too. So we're going everything Irish today, so we have Irish stew recipes. So we have lamb with Guinness. So I get one. And we have the sticky Irish glazed short ribs. That one. And lastly, we have the Irish whiskey roasted salmon. It's an all Irish protein plate. And now I'm gonna go with other good stuff here. So I'm gonna get some beef and mushroom pie. Yeah, Dublin cuddle. Potato nachos. And of course it's colcannon. And I'm also getting some corned beef. Generous. Thank you, chef. Welcome. So that's my Irish plate. Let's see. I'm gonna enjoy this one. Start eating. Start with the corned beef and salad, and the cabbage and corned beef. It's sour and everything spicy. Pretty intense, but yeah, I still like it, but yeah, some people might not like it, but yeah, it's quite intense. It's like the vinegar will hit you hard at first, and then there's the spicy, it's like a peppery, spicy flavor, but it's corned beef and cabbage. So, and you have to have some beer with that. Yum yum. Corned beef. They have the stew. I mean lamb. This is lamb. Yeah. You can know it's lamb with that scent, because it just more earthy, stronger, musky smell. But it's good meat, soft. And the sauce, hot on. There's the ribs. Like it, sweet. The short ribs are sweet. The Irish coddle actually has no recipe, but here they have bacon and potatoes. But also this colcannon is like a mashed potato with kale or cabbage. Wow, I'm really enjoying the different Irish dishes available here. It's like home. I'm kidding, yeah. But probably if you're Irish, you're gonna enjoy it, because this buffet is up to the 19th, and you can enjoy some of your Irish favorites along with the Marco Polo favorites like the Chinese station, the Japanese station, or salad station. And of course, their desserts. Later, I'm gonna check out those green colored desserts along with the Irish coffee to complete my meal. These deviled eggs are so cute. So last, the theme of the day is green, and now I'm going green with my desserts as well. So check this out. So I'm gonna have the cappuccino Irish coffee cream chocolate cake and the whiskey cake. So really Irish. Here with Sir Richard, the cheese master.
Yeah.
So how do you find the Irish, the St. Patrick's celebration here at Marco Polo?
Very good. For many years asking that they do something for the St. Patrick. Later on will be more green.
And supposed to be more beer, right?
Yes. Good beer.
Yes.
Guinness beer.
Yeah, look at him. So he's like the best in costume here.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
That's
So
just the
you haven't seen the half of it.
That's just the warm up.
So later he'll transform to a leprechaun, perhaps.
Yes.
So how do you like? What's the good food here? What did you recommend? I mean,
The sticky stew was very good. The pie was very good.
oh yes, the beef pie, right? It is.
So that
And the
was
lamb,
very-
did you like it?
Yeah, the lamb was tender, very nice.
So you can have some Irish favorites here until the 19th. So just like him, pretty sure you're gonna enjoy it.
Yes.
And happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
So to cap my meal is the warm, malicious cookies. And I'm done with my meal. So we just had an awesome lunch here at Marco Polo Plaza, and this buffet will up to when?
This is until the 19th.
Okay. So
We're serving Irish favorite dishes and sweets. It's called St. Patrick's Festival. It's going to be served over lunch and dinner on top of the international buffet at Cafe Marco. So come over, guys, and let's celebrate St. Patrick's
so
Day.
same prices.
Same prices. It's 1,450 for dinner and 1,150 net for lunch.
So see you here at Cafe
See you.
Marco and try out their St. Patrick's Festival. Man, it's awesome.
See ya!
Thank you for watching this day 2 of my vlog, and hopefully you'll watch day 3. Thank you so much, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.